day in my life as a working mom. Today is Saturday, so magora-gora na ta. Hi, Romart! Outfit check. Shein and TikTok. And this one is sa Banwa ko lang yung bakal. And sa SM City ang backpack. Saturday, so free time ta mag-vlog. Waiting kita guys sa akin nga driver kag manog-deliver. Deliver. Blah. Okay. How peaceful. Say Aneng. Good morning. Good morning. Louder. Where are you going? Louder. Good. Where are you going? Romar. Where are you going? You're good. Smile. Where are you going? Where are you going? See you later. Uy. See you later. Bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Time check, 5:47. Gabantay pa lang guys ka tricycle. Pag wala man ako kagwa. So, that's all. Wala kita talaga sa abot. So sad. Sige lang. It's part of independent. Charot! I'll be back if maka-video pa ko later.